Yeah, that's right, Brett. And just in the last 15 or 20 minutes, the prosecution telling the jury they have multiple witnesses, including a police officer, who say this was an illegal smackdown. As for Chase Fugate, he's depending on the testimony of a lone expert witness who says his actions were appropriate. An FDLE expert demonstrated on a member of the defense team the takedown maneuver Orlando police officer Chase Fugate claims he used to secure Ronald McFadden, suspected of fleeing a traffic stop that Fugate had initiated earlier the same night in June of 2014. Fugate is charged with criminal battery on McFadden, who was already handcuffed at the time, but the expert disagreed.
As an expert in use of force, were the actions of Officer Fugate, as alleged in this case, warranted?
In my opinion, it was.
After their lone witness, the defense rested its case, and Judge Deb Bleckman asked Fugate if he wished to testify in his own defense.
Yeah, I do not want to testify, ma'am.
All right.
In their closing argument, the prosecution told jurors there was no mistaking Fugate's intention to punish a defenseless, handcuffed suspect.
Chase Fugate walked casually up to Mr. McFadden, that he punched him in the left side of the face.
And that's the point we're at now, with the defense getting their last closing arguments into the jury themselves. And then there is some question as to whether or not they're going to go late into this evening to come up with a verdict. We do know that Fugate is facing up to a year in jail if he's convicted on this misdemeanor battery charge. We'll continue to monitor it. Live at the Orange County Courthouse, Bob Keeling, WESH 2 News.